please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay?
Okay.
Hi guys, Happy New Year and Happy Holidays. Welcome back our L3 Toy channel. This is L3 review. A lot of people to ask what is the difference on this both model, the Mjx B20 and the Mjx B12. So let's see the Mjx B20 first. For the B20, it is unfoldable arm and unfoldable propellers. The color is light gray. So for the B12, the color is the dark gray and is the foldable arm and foldable propellers. So this is the color difference, light gray and dark gray. About the weight on this both model, for the B20 is 543 gram and the B12 is 549 gram. It's heavy than the B20. About the camera on this both model, it's just same. It can be record 4K 30 FPS resolution and can be switched to 1080p too for the video record. And also both are the EIS, the electronic image stabilization. So it's the same spec, the camera. For the battery on the B20 and the B12 is the same capacity, is 3400 mAh, is 7.6 wattage. The maximum flight time is also same, 22 minutes the maximum flight time. For the flight performance on this both model, the maximum height is 120 meter, and for the maximum range, you can click the link here to see our previous video. For B12, it is a foldable drone, so it's very easy to keep in your bag or bring it out to fly at anywhere where you can. For B20, because it's an unfoldable drone, so a little hard to keep inside your bag or bring it out anywhere to fly. So both, just only the design different. And one more thing, on this both model also have the LED light at the bottom and the optical flow sensor. For both remote control, the color and the button, the design is just same. Both drones are using the same application. It's called MRC Pro. So you can install it or download it at the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. I already tried video shoot on this both video. So here is a B20 and here is a B12. So from these two video quality is almost same, but for my opinion, I think the B12 is the color is more sharp and the video quality is a little better than the B20. Now we will test the wind resistance on the B20. Very stable, very good performance. Now let's try the B12. Okay, so now it is the B12. So let's test the wind resistance. Like the B20, like just a little bit unstable, but still okay. Now we will try to pull the drone. Let's see it can be fly back the current position or not. The answer is yes. Here is the current position just now, so it will fly back to the current position. So let's try the B12. Now let's pull the B12. still can back to the current position. So now I will test to turn off the remote control when the drone is flying. Let's see what happened on the drone. So we will start the B20 first. So the drone is at there, and now I will turn off the remote control. So I already switched off the remote control. Now the drone is lift up. And turn back. My controller is still switched off. So the drone now is auto return home. It's a safe mode. So just now it's takeoff point at here, but the auto return home at here. So just a little bit far from the takeoff point. And now let's try the B12. Okay, now it's the B12 turn. The drone is at there, and now I will switch off the remote control. Let's see what happens now. See, the drone is now lift up and moving back to the takeoff point. Now it's in the auto return home function. This is how the GPS smart drone, the perfect function on this mode, the auto return home. Yes, it's just same as the B20, a little bit far from the takeoff point. Okay. After we test on these two models, the result is almost same. But for me, I will choose the Mjx B12. So what is the reason I would choose the B12? The most reason is the foldable drone. So it's very easy to keep in your bag or bring out. For B20, it's not bad, it's okay too, but the size, the drone design is unfoldable. So it's very hard to keep in your bag or bring out. So how about you? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and slap the like button like your parents slap you.